to another day of traveling adventures. We're gonna get out here and go to the beach. Why is it early? See at the mall over at Nordstrom. So, I walk out here to this beach. Got my old backpack chair. So these trees just intertwined, twisting and stuff with each other. It's shade out here right now. Don't know for how long, but it's shade out here right now. It's Florida life. Florida, Florida, Florida. Oh boy. Where you going? It's nice and quiet. It's early. It's about 9 o'clock, 9:30 in the morning. Huh?
What, like 5,400 something in the month?
Come on, it's hot. Come on. We cook. I see the spider web. Yeah.
See that spider? That spider. You see it? Big, black and yellow? That spider? That is you.
Yeah. That is your what?
Talk about what?
That is your what? BFF? Huh? Best friend for life? Yeah, they kayaking. It's gonna be a time lapse anyway.
You see how the tide comes in? Look, you see where the roots come up to the right part?
Something like that kayak right there. Hey, there's left hand. Get on this side. Come on. Teach you some leash manners.
Huh?
Teach us some leash manners. All that pulling she doing. Where you go, Ty? Where you go? Huh?
The beach.
You did break them shoes. A little skippy little came apart. You know, you gotta walk on this hot stuff. Eat railroad ties. Took your fingernail off.
Oh, dang. I got the floaties.
You got it.
I put the two floaties? No, not this, not the new one, the floaties. Float there. I don't know. No fun if you use that hook either. Still walk down a little bit more even once you get back into the wood.
What's Long Bridge? It's a nice little walk though. They come all the way from way back there. Intercoastal waterway. I guess that's what you call it.
If you handicap, you need to pick up. What's it say?
10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Show you catch a ride on the way back. Oh boy, it's so good to get out that sun. Boy, that sun hot. Yeah, the cicadas. Wonder what these is. Look at the clams. Big clams.
Clams and oysters. All of them. They're waiting on the water to come. The light on, you see?
So clear that water is.
So the warning is be careful, be aware of alligators.
Oh boy, the shade feels so good. It's hot out here. 9:30 in the morning, it's already hot. Park closes at 8:30. Which way we go, Ty? We going to the south? Beach. South Dunes Trail. Yeah. Oh, it feels so cool up in here. See? And they want to save this tree. They cut around it. Whew. It probably gonna be a hot one today. It probably gonna be a hot one. Oh, we off road. Boy, they wasn't lying when they said it's a hike to the beach. It's a little hike here. It's nice and cool today though. Nice and cool. We got these little markers. I guess if you get lost, you get tired, you hurt yourself. You can tell me I'm at mile mark 12 on the South Dune Trail. I'm at marker 11. That's about a 30-minute hike just to get to the beach. That's about 30 minutes. Look at that. Good morning. And she put, next thing you know, she'll be coughing and coughing because she pulling so hard. And she gonna learn today. It's a nice little walk through here though. So we're going up the steps. Come on. I guess it's the beach up here. Back in this hot sun. Yeah, you putting that drink out here. Boy, you ain't gonna be able to make it back to your car. Oh, I hear the water. I hear it. I see it. They got a jet ski.
See that again?
Yeah. Why is that water warm? They tell you, no lifeguard. Swim at your own risk. Red cover. High hazard, medium hazard. Where the flag colors at? I got that green looking one. There ain't no green looking flag there. Here you got the rip current. Don't try to swim straight back, or you got to swim out. Swim to the side. I learned about that rip current, boy. You be in there, that thing just start taking you out. The more you fight it, the tighter you gonna get. And then, once you get tired, what happens? You drown. Hate to see it. So, can't fight it. You got to kind of go with it. Get out of it. Once you get out of it, then you be alright. But oh, this is where we at. These little dunes right here. This part of the beach, they kind of drop straight down. The tide ain't coming in, so you might well get down here on the edge. Come on. Boy, that sun hot already. Woo. Come on. Look at her. She don't want to come now. Come on.
Her feet are hot, baby. That's what's going on, probably.
Huh?
Her feet are hot.
Yeah, she got the sand now. Come on. Come on. Get you some soft sand. Come on. Come on. You be alright. Come on. Come on. Come on. So look at the dog. She looking like no, 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 no. Look at her. No, 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 no. She look like, nah, I'm good. Yeah. She look like, nah, I'm good. I'm good. Get these out the sun. But hey man, I ain't got nowhere to put my cup. I'm trying to keep out the sun so my ice don't melt. Yes, sir. I get to sit here. I lay my shirt over it. Let's see, do watercolor. I ain't even bring my whistle on. That ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. It's a little cool. We got a lot of seashells right here. A lot of seashells. Oh, you can see water clear. It's clear and blue. Oh, it just drop off. Boy. Woo. Oh boy, what a Sunday. What a Sunday, what a Sunday, what a Sunday. And you see these waves don't crash like the Outer Banks. They don't crash the same. They crash kind of small out here.
Here, let her get some water.
So we going swimming. We going swimming. she went in her house. She said she done. Think you done? You done? You done? She said she done. This water right here feel good though. This water feel real good. It ain't cold. You know, most time you get in and you get to your stomach, that's when you feel it. This water here ain't cold. But see, I can't show y'all underwater because I ain't bring my waterproof case or my water stick. So I can't let none of this get wet or you probably won't see this video. As you can see, I clear the water in. They ain't going nowhere. They ain't coming back out here though. Boy, this feels so good. Man, it feels good out here. So we go take this thing back in. I can stay out here all day. I stay here all day. We got about a mile walk. But this beach here is I don't know if a lot of people ain't out here yet because it's so early in the day, but it ain't crowded, you know. You see, most of them beaches they crowded, people everywhere. It ain't crowded, but boy, it feel good. This feel good. You see, we get close to the shore, get a lot clear. There's a little steep up climb right here. That's why the waves crash like that. Woo. Crab out here. I think he in his hole. Let's see something. Let's see if I can get them out. Once.
Like seaweed.
I know I seen it come out of this hole. There were about 2 or 3 of them out here. Yeah, you ain't gonna find them things. You got to sit back. Time I came out the water, he ran. Oh boy, that water feels good. You done? Yeah, that water feels good. It feels good.
Oh, right there, Kevin, right there.
Look.
Son?
Let's see. He went in the hole. You got to sit back. The time you look over there, they run the hole so quick, you ain't gonna see them. They must feel the vibration of the sand when you're walking. Who knows? Yeah, she's done. Yeah, I saw it.
That on camera?
Huh?
That on camera?
Nah, he went in. He flying low. He flying low. Boy, it's a good Sunday. It's a good Sunday. I can get used to this. It's getting hot out here, boy. It's getting hot. It feels good though. See that boat? They came all the way in. They might throw an anchor now. They're gonna jump off and come on in. They gotta be in about 5 feet of water. So as you can see them people way right there. You can go way out before it drop off. And if the color of the water get darker blue, that's where it's dropping off at. But we got to blow this joint. It's getting hot. I ain't like that water feels good. That water feels so good, so good. Boy, we back in the shade. You gonna take my thumbnail?
What? Take a picture?
Come on, come on. I can make one. To blow this joint. Come on, Saint. Come on. Boy, feel good in the shade.
That was your bath?
Come on.
I'm gonna say it natural.
Oh boy. Yeah, lizard. Hey, lizard. Come on. Oh, we're gonna go here. Wash our feet off and keep it pushing. See, you got beach access there. You can go to the upper room. Oh boy, them people coming out here now.
But a lot of people want to walk down that trail, so a lot of people don't look.
I know, cause it's hot. Tell you, boy. Hey, you see me now? This thing here ain't no shade through it. Like the people dragging these wagons. Boy, it's hot. I gotta get me some dry fit shirts. I don't know why I be forgetting to bring my dry fit shirts. Oh boy, it's hot. Hold tight, walk it up. Okay. See all these fish. They fishes. We need to catch him. Yeah. Yeah, we gonna catch that. Let's see. Cause he going back.
You might say, I gotta wait 5 minutes.
Well, it's that, man. It's gonna take longer than 5 minutes to get back.
Oh, that's a city. Oh, it's another one.
What you say?
Yes, turn around.
Oh, and then we can get on? Oh, yeah, see? That worked good. Oh, boy, we need this ride. I swear we need this ride. So we'll get us a ride. Well, it's a lot better than walking.
sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
As far as I can take you.
Thank you, sir.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, none of those white hot sands.
Rub it out. I was a good day at the beach. Not a good day at the beach. Lemon heads. There's a beach. So we headed on out. That little man over there, like off the movie Italian Job, and they had the older style minis. That's what that girl was driving. That little thing right there. What color of them wheels is? Those like some little golf cart wheels. Got the upper room. They got the dash cam. I guess we'll take our Olympic picture and come back down here. Yeah. And that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, click that bell. That bell let you know every time I post. Till then, we out.